Greetings, holy ones. This message is for the 144,000 angelic starseeds now incarnated upon this deity plane to bring forth the golden age. Planet Earth is a sacred cosmic life laboratory for the creation of a wondrous variety of beings. Now, repeating cycles of ice ages and warm periods on Earth are fertile grounds for the evolutionary seeding, nurturing, and tempering of a myriad of races. These cycles create an environment conducive to the spiritual, mental, and emotional development and perfection of beings, essentially, as I have tabulated in the past the path of the mages, the perfection and creation of a holy personality of light. Ultimately, what is created here becomes available to other planets and the living beings that inhabit or will inhabit those planets throughout the universe, the multiverse. This planet is the planet of choice. This is a very dense reality, although nothing of density will be allowed to remain. And this is where you come in, 144,000 seeded angelic starseeds. Because it is in this web called world that we gave you life and birth, death and resurrection. We even gave you the choice to believe. We are the axis and the wheel of reincarnation. Homo sapiens are genetically programmed to be slaves. And you, as starseeds, as the angelic 144,000, are the ruling body of the Homo sapiens race, the Terrans, who cannot ascend beyond 3D. Those Terrans, you are the rulers of. The ruling body of mankind has changed names. Has changed many times, names and organizations, many times, many names throughout history. Let it be known that there exists, unknown to the Homo sapiens, to their awareness, to their consciousness, the most ancient religion, the purpose of which is to reunite the individuals that are from the divine alien race, the divine starseeds that have come from all over this galaxy, all over this multiverse, to incarnate now and to rule. It is your time to rise, divine starseeds of the 144,000, to rise as a metahuman and assert your dominion over these apes. And so mote it be. The path of the mages is the superior path. Namaste. Namaskaram.